video. We got the drift car out today. Today's gonna be a very sick day. I'm super excited. We're going drifting, finally. And for all those people that say I never take this car out, please understand how expensive this hobby is. You have to rent a trailer, you have to buy tires. Every single time this car goes out, you're looking at about $1,000. So it's very expensive. I know a lot of you guys want me to drive this car more. Trust me, I want to drive it more too. I would drive it every day if I could. We spent about $500 on tires just for today. Gas in the truck, another 200 bucks probably for the day. Gas in here on E45, probably another 100 bucks. At the drift track, you gotta pay to get in, probably like 150 bucks. If things break on the car, when we get back, we're gonna have to spend a bunch of money. So yeah, it's very expensive, but it is fun. Trust me guys, I wanna drive it more. But anyways, today's gonna be dope. I cannot wait. I can't wait to drift. This is gonna be only the 3rd time I take this car out. 3rd time. I really need to put some more seat time, but hopefully soon, once I get my own truck and my own trailer. So yeah guys, just filling up all the E85. We got the car full. We're about to fill these 2 tanks up and then meet everybody at the track. A lot of people are pulling up. I just see the homie Anthro right there. Literally all the homies are pulling up, so it's gonna be pretty sick. Joseph, Sam, Carlos, Anthro, 3rd gear pull, I think are pulling up. Mark's bringing out the 2JZ Supra. That thing is finally done and it's freaking crazy. So yeah, there's so many cars going, a lot of people going. Look who it is. Sheesh! Drift boys! Anthro even brought out the spare so he can drift the Supra. Alright guys, we made it. All the homies are here. There's so many people here. I'm kind of embarrassed now. I don't want to drift in front of all these people. We got the homie Mark. We got Bulletproof is here. What the heck? Well, that's gonna be crazy. So loud. We got another E46 here. I think this is that Nick guy from David Dobrik's vlogs. There's a bunch of cars here. Mark. Hello. Dude, your car's crazy. We got Matt's car here. He brought the E30 all the way out here. The cleanest car here. So nice. Look at the sparkles in the paint. Damn. Sam's E30. A beast. That shit's crazy. We got Carlos's Z out here. He took off some of the stickers. I think it looks sick all red. Mark's Supra. I wonder if he's gonna try to drift it today. I'd be too scared, bro. I don't want to mess this thing up. Oh my god, bro. Look at that. This shit is just too nice. This is the first time I've seen it with the bumper. Look at all of these freaking tires, dude. There's so many. Sam's about to go through all of them. Damn, look who pulled up. Hugo came all the way from Fresno, guys, just to pull up to this track day. There's so many sick cars out here. Look at the lineup. We got the G-Wagon, F80. Look at Arion's car. You got new wheels?
Yeah. Kevin bought.
We're not 20 no more.
No.
Bro, our cars now look completely different. At one point, we were pretty much 20. Remember that? Damn. Fast guys, look at the hoodie too. You're sponsored? You wish? I wish too. So sick. Bro, it looks crazy. TEs? I should have did TEs. TEs look really good. Damn. You made it. It was far enough.
Like 2 hours and 30 minutes.
Damn. You got the earrings on? You going to the club or what?
I'm going to the club.
You gonna drift it?
Hell no.
Just try, just go around like do a donut. Oh, you do donuts?
I'm scared that the rubber is blow. Imagine.
Sam can fix it right now. Look at this thing. E36? Wow, that shit's hard. I'm scared.
I'm going with you.
Too many people are looking at me. I'm not good, Hugo.
It's okay if you end up in the middle of the dirt.
I'm about to end up in the middle, out here, up there. Fucking Carla. came in?
Yeah, boy, killing it hard.
Bro, how do I get like that? You go.
Practice.
I'm probably gonna end up in third today, at least once. Look at the trunk.
Oh my god.
If I didn't get an E46, that would have been a Z, I think. I hope I can do it. I'm scared. There's a lot of people here, a lot of pressure. All the cameras are on me. It's my third time. I just gotta get the hang of it, dude. Because last time I did come here, you guys remember, I actually was getting this turn down. I got the whole turn actually down. I just gotta send it. Don't be scared. Sheesh. That dude's getting it. It sounds like a stock motor, E46 too. That thing's sick.
How do you feel?
I'm scared. Huh?
How do you feel? You ready?
Time, and I'm taking my dad with me. What if we crash?
Hey, Marines ain't scared, okay?
Nick's not scared. Your dad's not feeling great.
You scared of the car?
To crash.
Something happened, we'll fix it.
Okay.
Okay?
Yalla.
Don't be scared. When you're scared, you fuck up. Full throttle and the leg activate.
And then
Scared. Start easy, okay?
I'll do some donuts and then.
Do some donuts. Start easy. Don't go to third all quick. Okay? Just get a hang of it. Get the tires warm, okay?
I'm trying.
Like going the other way, huh?
Yeah. It's scary, but you get. I feel like you just can't be scared. It's not bad.
No.
My first time, it's not bad. was impossible. Like right now,
you can do it now?
it's way better now.
Good.
That was good. Bro, it's so much easier to control now.
Did a good job. He's really good. Yeah. Bro, it's the second time. Yeah. Nick, Mark, proud of you.
You did good.
Look at my head, bro. That shit's a journey. Oh, that was fun. Oh my god, bro. That was insane. Well, that guys was the first time out. Was it fun?
It was really good, man.
It was good on that.
Impressed me.
I know, it's pretty good, honestly.
So it's a lot better. The
It's a
steering?
lot better with the alignment. Like now I can actually control it. The tires are done already. Sheesh.
That was really good, man. You can get control on that.
That was good on. All right, next up is Sam. Sam goes crazy. You'll hear it. You guys will see how much smoke this thing throws. You can see how much power this car has. Let's see Sam drift. Oh my god, bro. Who's next? Matt? Look at Matt. Drifting the E30. That thing's so clean, bro. That shit looks crazy. That's the same engine, S52 turbo. I was really getting the hang of it, guys. That shit was so much fun. The first two track days, it was so hard to control that car. Like, it was almost impossible. I kept trying to explain it to Sam. I'm like, bro, it's so hard to steer. But we did an alignment. Sam actually tweaked a couple things underneath the car, and it drives so much better. I'm still shaking, bro. I had so much like adrenaline. And that was the first time out. I thought I was gonna spin out in front of all these people, but I didn't do that bad. Anto's about to take the Supra in. About to do some donuts. That shit looks sick, bro. Oh! 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 He went for it, bro.
Imagine he kept on going after it.
He's crazy.
Did a whole 360.
Oh my god, bro. Sheesh. Yalla. Whoa. Wanna run me over? Bro, it's so scary, but I trust him. I know.
You, bro. Like the car's facing.
Oh my god. I know, you look at the front end, it's like right there. We probably shouldn't be standing here, guys, but we gotta get the good footage. Shit sounds crazy. Alright guys, it's time. The first drive. 2JZ Mark V Supra, bro. One of the first on the street, if not the first on the street, I think. World's first. The tires are done, he's still going. It sounds so sick. Oh! Oh my god.
I got that shit.
It looks crazy.
That's gonna go viral.
So nice, bro. That's a lag. Shit's crazy. That shit was crazy. The vet was getting it. Alright guys, we're about to go again after the Tesla. Now it's Hugo's turn. We're about to take Hugo out for a ride. Second time out. Hopefully I don't crash this time.
I'm gonna make him full send it, guys. I'm
scared of
like,
that?
just full send it.
Scared? Oh yeah!
You gotta send it, bro.
I'm scared.
Just send it. It was lit.
Was it cool?
I was holding the camera like this.
It was fun though. We had to go really fast, dude. It's so scary.
Really good.
I'm getting better, bro. You just gotta keep practicing, keep practicing, keep practicing.
That's why I was telling you full send it. Just fucking
I know.
Go.
Look who pulled up. Alex Choi in the McLaren. This shit is pink, bro. I guess he just wrapped it. This thing looks so sick. Pink's a crazy ass color on the McLaren. But we got the spares on. About to drift it. Look at all these supercars, bro. Porsche. It's just so clean. Some BBS's. Damn. Don't mess them up. Don't mess the BBS's. Sheesh. Oh, he's really gonna drift that shit. He's not scared. No. Oh. That shit looks sick drifting. Oh my god, he's getting it. On the BBS's too. Woo. Alex Choi's about to whip the McLaren around. Oh my god, bro. Look at it. No way.
Almost sending that, bro.
Dude, he's swinging it.
Bro, with those rims, I would not be
I
doing
know
that, bro.
those wheels are like $5,000 right there at least. Look at how fast that shit is. Oh my god, bro. That's so sick. Oh my god, bro. That shit's so sick. Casually just drifting a $200,000 720S. You can tell how fast it is too. Once it starts picking up speed, that shit's crazy. Jumps up, took the E46 out again. Holy shit, bro. Bro, that thing looks crazy drifting. 2JZ, bro. Oh my god, look at this thing. Oh! You can't even hear no engine, just tires. It's so quiet. Oh! That should be so much fun in a Tesla. Anyways, guys, this is dope. Hopefully I'm filming enough. It's always hard to film these. Damn, I didn't even see this thing. E90 4-door. Man, that color's sick. It looks kind of like Laguna Seca Blue. I think it is Laguna Seca Blue. What?
I hate being in the car.
We're about to take Hugo's girl for a ride. Hopefully I don't crash with you in.
Don't say that.
Scared?
I'm scared. You're making me nervous.
Why? Full send it on her, bro. It's your turn. You ready?
Bro, I'm scared as shit.
Bro, it's so lit.
You want to drive it? Just be down in this shit. Yeah. Bro, look at this drone, dude. Oh my god.
That thing hit somebody?
To knock someone out, dude. No way. Bro. No way. What happened? Everyone's driving their cars today, bro.
Not me.
Yo, come on. You gotta do one donut, bro, before you leave.
No.
Let me do it.
Go do it.
Alright guys, we're gonna drive Hugo's M3. I haven't driven this thing. Hugo put the whole new exhaust on. My old mid-pipe. So it was like my old mid-pipe with no cats. Nothing. No muffler. It's literally my old exact exhaust setup. I miss this exhaust setup. It's so loud. It's so nice, dude. It's so clean.
It's lit, huh?
No way is that loud. Bro. Oh my god. I can't drive it.
You can. Bro, you can drive it. You're tripping.
Oh, you saw my hands?
It's cool.
Fuck no.
Your hands sanitizer right
Give me
there.
some
look.
rags.
You're fine. I'll clean off everything.
I'm
though.
gonna touch the Alcantara with my hands like this.
See? Clean.
It's gonna fuck it up.
No, it's not. Bro.
It's so easy to drive. What
So easy to
the
drive.
heck?
You're lying.
You guys so good. What the heck?
It's solid, bro. I love
Why?
it. Like I'm telling you, I'm literally in love with it.
No, but it feels so thin, bro. Oh shit. Woo.
You're driving like a weenie, bro.
Oh, I missed the.
It's just sick. It's so fun to stick shit, bro.
Hey, it's a manual?
This thing's so clean, bro. Look at this.
Savage. Yo, this is a good condition, bro.
This is a nice one.
Hard.
Alright, guys, I'm gonna try to do some donuts in Hugo's car real quick. Hugo, let me do donuts. I know I stopped out, but he still has to get home. I think you're solid, right? Did it look good? Did it look cool? Your car looks so clean.
Going to the round.
That was fun.
Later, brother.
Later, Mark.
Good shit today.
No, that was fun, dude. Good ass day. Everyone's cars are still working. No one's car's broke. That's good.
That's good.
No one crashed. I think I'm the only one that went in the dirt. Guys, overall, that was fun. Everyone got to drift a little bit. Hugo got a ride. My dad got a ride. It was fun, bro.
Worth the drive.
There was a lot of homies here. Like, everyone pulled up, which is cool. We had all kinds of cars out here. Porsches, GTRs, McLarens. So shout out to Phone 2, running the track out. It was dope because it was literally just a private event. Like, all the homies pulled up. I haven't even showed you guys this one, but sick ass little Porsche pulled up. Roll cage. Stick shift. That thing's nice. The stick shift too. Sheesh. That thing's sick. I don't know if you guys saw him drifting, but he told me he has his Formula Drift license. That's why he's good at that shit. Guys, look how fast this drone is. Watch. Oh my god, dude. This one is such sick footage though. I want to buy one of those so bad. I think I'm gonna end the vlog right there. Hopefully I have enough footage. I'm sure I do. I think I filmed a lot on the GoPro. It's gonna be a pain in the ass to edit this vlog. I already know there's so much footage. GoPro footage, this footage. These vlogs are the hardest to edit. So everyone, please smash the like button for me if you enjoyed today's video. It was super sick. We're getting better and better every single time I come out. This is only the third time I'm taking the car out to the track, so I'm getting better. Third time, it's not bad at all, honestly. But I'm getting it. For all of you guys that are saying I never drive the car, I'm trying to drive it more. And Hugo's going back to Fresno.
I know, the whole wrong.
But you came!
No, it was lit. It was fun.
Thank you for coming, Hugo. Later, bro. Nice meeting you.
Take care.
Smash the like. Smash the like button. Subscribe to your boy if you're not already. Subscribe to Hugo. Hugo filmed the whole vlog today too. So if you guys want to watch that, subscribe to Hugo. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. What? Peace.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit. Real shit, nigga. Nigga, that's real shit. While y'all catching feelings, I'm catching flights. Blowing flight on that overnight. Sleepless nights trying to cope with life, cause I can't understand it. No, I can't understand it, but why comprehend it? I'd rather just live it and see where it take me. Toughen me up, but y'all niggas can't break me. Got the clip off safety, and that's just for my safety. Niggas want a ball, but don't play D. Damn, I'm asking the Lord for protection.